My dear students, in the today's session, I am going to explain a few pharmaceutical calculations. Pharmaceutical calculations. Let me start with the alligation method. Let me start with alligation method. Here, in this method, we have been given a strong solution, a concentrated solution. We have to dilute it using a suitable solvent. What is the calculation for that? That we'll see that now. For example, you have been given 90% alcohol. Using this one, you have to prepare 60% alcohol. Alcohol miscible with the water, we can use water as the dilute. So what is that? You have been given 90% alcohol. You have to prepare 60% alcohol by diluting with water. How many ml you want to prepare? For example, let us prepare about 600 ml. We want to prepare 600 ml of 60% alcohol using 90% alcohol. For that, we can use the alligation method. What is the alligation method? Here we write the strength of the concentrated solution first. What is the strength of the concentrated solution? 90%. Strength of the concentrated solution. Next, what is the strength of the dilute solution? What is the solvent for dilution here? Water. Water we can write it as 0% alcohol. Water we can write as 0% alcohol because alcohol is not present in the water consistently. Okay, what is that you have to prepare now? 60% you have to prepare. This is strength of the concentrated solution. This is the strength of the dilute solution. Here, this is the strength of the required solution. Now, let us subtract 90 minus 60, 30. 60 minus 0, 60. 90 minus 60. What is 90? Strength of the concentrated solution. 60. Strength of the solution to be prepared. 90 minus 60, 30. 60 minus 0, what is that 0? Water is the dilute for alcohol. Let us use it here. 60 minus 0, 60. Right? Now, we have to prepare 60. We have to use 60 parts of 90% alcohol, 30 parts of here this one. 60 parts of 90% alcohol and 30 parts of water you have to mix it. 30 parts of water you have to mix it. Totally how many parts are there? 90 parts are 60 plus 30. 90 parts are there. Now, how many ml you have to prepare? Write down. Volume of, what is the first one? 90% alcohol. 90% alcohol required is equal to volume of first one. 90% alcohol required is equal to how many ml you have to prepare? 600 ml. 600 ml. This one. 600 into number of parts of 90% alcohol. Number of parts of 90% alcohol. 60. By total number of parts. Total number of parts. 60 plus 30, 90. You find out the value here. 0, 0, 2 by 3, 3, 200. This is 400. What is this 400? 400 ml of 90% alcohol required. In the same manner, what is the other one? 30 parts of water. Volume of water required. Volume of water required is equal to 600 into how many parts of water required? 30 parts. Water 30 parts. How many parts are there? Total parts? 90 parts. 1 by 3, 200. This is 200. What is this? This is water. Water. So we have to mix 400 ml of 90% alcohol with 200 ml of water to get 600 ml of 60% alcohol. Your purpose is out here. Hope you have followed. We'll see once again. In this alligation method, here we are taking the strength of the concentrated solution. Here, strength of the dilute solution. Here, in this formula, in this preparation, water is the dilute. So, we can say it is 0% alcohol. Here, in the middle, we are taking strength of the solution which is to be prepared. Here, after that, 90 minus 60, 30 parts. 30 parts of water required. 60 minus 0, 60 parts of 90% alcohol. So, how many ml you have to prepare? We have to prepare 600 ml. To prepare 600 ml, how many ml of 90% alcohol required? How many ml of water required? For that, we have the formula. Volume of 90% alcohol required is equal to 600. The total volume to be prepared. 600 into, what is the 60? Now, parts of 90% alcohol required. Parts of 90% alcohol required. 60 by total number of parts. You will get 400 ml. We require 400 ml of the 90% alcohol, and in the same manner you are done for the water also. 600 into 30 by 90, we use 200 ml of water. You mix up these two, we get 60% alcohol, 600 ml. We'll do the same fashion, one more problem in the alligation method. Same problem will alter it in a slight fashion, right? How do you prepare 600 ml of 60% alcohol using 90% alcohol and 20% alcohol? Here, dilute is given. In the previous problem, dilute is not given. Simply we are using the water only. When the dilute is given, what to do, we'll see. What is the strength of the concentrated alcohol here? 90. What is the strength of the solution to be prepared? 60%. 60. Strength of the dilute solution, strength of the weak solution? 20. Using 90 and 20, you have to prepare 60%. Using 90% and 20%, you have to prepare 60%. How do you mix these two? To prepare 600 ml of 60% alcohol. 90 minus 60, 20 minus 60. 90 minus 60, 30. 60 minus 20, 40. So it will be, we need 40 parts of, these are the parts. 40 parts of 90% alcohol and 30 parts of 20% alcohol. 30 parts of 20% alcohol. In the previous problem, we said 0, only water is used, but here we are not using the water. It is given directly. Using the 90% alcohol and 20% alcohol, prepare 60% alcohol. So, 90% is the strength of the concentrated solution, 20% is the strength of the dilute solution, and 60% is the strength of the solution to be prepared. So, using the alligation method, how do you prepare this one? 90 minus 60, 30. What is that 30? We want 30 parts of 20% alcohol. 60 minus 20, 40. 40 parts of 90% alcohol. So, how do you prepare? Volume of 90% alcohol required is equal to, how many ml you have to prepare? You have to prepare 600 ml. 600 into here, how many parts required here? 40. What is the total number of parts here? 40 plus 30, 70. 40 by 70. Find out the value. Same fashion. Volume of next one. What is that? 20% alcohol required. 20% alcohol required. 600 into 30 by, we need 30 parts of 20% alcohol. 30 by total number of parts 70. You do this calculation. Volume of 90% alcohol required is equal to total volume to be prepared 600 ml into number of parts of 90% alcohol 40 divided by total number of parts 70. When you do this one, we get about 342 ml. What is this 342 ml? 342 ml of 90% alcohol required. Same fashion, let us do for the other one. Volume of 20% alcohol required. Volume of 20% alcohol required is equal to 600 into how many parts here? 30 parts. 30 divided by total number of parts 70 is equal to 258 ml. When you add these two, we get 600 ml of 60% alcohol. Next problem. Calculate the amount of 70% alcohol, 60% alcohol, 40% alcohol and 30% alcohol. We have to use all these four types of alcohol to prepare 500 ml of 50% alcohol. 500 ml of 50% alcohol. Earlier, only one strength is given, water is given to mix up these two to get some strength. In the second case, we have given you two types of the strengths of the alcohol to prepare the one more strength. Here, we have been given four strengths of alcohol. Four types of concentrations of the alcohol is given to prepare 50% alcohol. How do you mix it? What is the first one? 70%. What is the second one? 60%. Third one? 40%. Fourth one? 30%. You write in the decreasing order. Strength of the concentrated solution and slowly it is decreasing here. Which one you have to prepare now? 50%. You have to prepare 50%. How do you prepare it? 70 minus 50, 20. 60 minus 50, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. 50 minus 30, 20. So what is that? We have to use 20 parts of, what is this here? 70% alcohol. 10 parts of 60% alcohol. 10 parts of 40% alcohol. 20 parts of 30% alcohol. Alcohol. How many parts totally? 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20. 60 parts. Totally 60 parts. How many ml you have to prepare? You have to prepare 500 ml. 500 into 20 by 60. 500 into 10 by 60. 500 into 10 by 60. 500 into 20 by 60. What is this 500? Total volume to be prepared. What is this 20? This 20 is the number of parts of 70% alcohol by total number of parts. Again, what is this 500? total volume to be prepared of required strength. What is this 10? We have to use 10 parts of 60% alcohol. Same manner, 10 parts of 40% alcohol and 20 parts of 30% alcohol. You do all this calculation. .3 ml here, one more here, 83.3 into 2, 166. Here also 83.3 ml. Here 83.3. Okay, 83.3 into 2, 166.6 ml. We'll sum up all these things. We need 166.6 ml of 70% alcohol, 83.3 ml of 60% alcohol, 83.3 ml of 40% alcohol, 166.6 ml of 30% alcohol. You sum up all these things. Nearly 500 ml. We have prepared 500 ml of 50% alcohol using all these 4 concentrations. This is also a ligation method. We can prepare a different concentration solution using given solutions of various concentrations.